Welcome back, grade 7. Our lesson today is chemical change. What is chemical change? A change that occurs when one or more substances change into entirely new substance with different properties. We will take sodium chloride formation as an example. Sodium chloride is a product of a chemical reaction between sodium metal, which is very reactive with water, and solid. It is solid, green color, with chlorine. Chlorine is yellowish green liquid, which is very poisonous. The product is sodium chloride, which is white crystals and safe to eat. So, different chemical and physical properties. Examples in nature, we will have photosynthesis, we will have also digestion, decaying, growing, and aging. First, photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process by which the green plant uses sun, water, and carbon dioxide to produce glucose and oxygen gas, totally different chemical and physical properties. The second example is digestion. Digestion is breaking down of complex food into simpler form, so the body can get use of food. The third example is aging. Many chemical changes occurring in order to have the life cycle of any living organism. Growing and development actually needs a lot of chemical changes inside the living organism body. The fifth one is decaying of organism by the action of decomposers to simpler components, also chemical change. As you see or as you notice, all chemical changes are irreversible changes. Industrial examples, we have a bicycle, and for an example, did you ever think how many parts are there in your bicycle? Many parts actually are found. All these parts need chemical change to be formed, like making metal, making paints, and making plastics. All are irreversible changes in chemical changes. Now, let's talk about another example. What's happening when you burn a log of wood? Of course, burning using oxygen or consuming oxygen from air and turning into ash, smoke, and carbon dioxide. Actually, smoke and carbon dioxide will evolve in the air. Now, we will have the mass of logs and the mass of ash, and we will find there is a great difference between the mass of logs and the mass of ash. Where are these differences? This difference is the difference in mass between the log and carbon dioxide and smoke evolved. So the mass of inputs will equal the mass of outputs. The mass will not change, only the form will change. So now this is the law of mass conservation. Mass is not created or destroyed in ordinary physical and chemical changes. Only the shape will change. Thank you.